Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Goat, and I guess you're gonna be going for a little ride with me in the back seat so you can be my backseat driver and let me know how shitty I drive, because I know people love to give good comments like that. I appreciate all you guys though. So, all I'm doing right now is heading to the gas station, get a little snack, and get right back to work. So, put your seatbelt on and let's get going. Oh, hey, before I forget, if you guys didn't know already, I post every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tuesday is a random kind of maybe car vlog, maybe fitness, something to do along that lines. Wednesday, of course, is my podcast that I do with my fiance, Driven Living. And that's typically like, we talk about cars quite a bit and we talk about life, driven living. So be sure to check that out on Stitcher, Spotify, Apple Podcast, or Google Podcast. And of course, check out our Patreon for that at patreon.com/drivenliving. And then, like I said, Fridays are car content, which will be something like this. Just a ride along. If I end up doing something to the car, I might show you that. Anything car related. So, anyways, let's get rolling. All right. Hey, don't forget to drop a comment down below and let me know, like I said, how shitty my driving is. I always appreciate those comments. The ones that are never actually helpful, they just like to comment to put you down. Those are my favorites. Hopefully you guys get to hear the cold air intake as well. It's my favorite part about this car. So I am really looking to do something to this car pretty soon. I know I want to get an aftermarket shifter knob, possibly a boot, shifter boot. I don't even know where to find the shifter boots at online. So if you've got any recommendations, as far as a website or just a specific boot, let me know. I think I have a good idea on which shifter knob I want, but I just want to start doing some little things to the cars to make them a little more unique. Especially this car, because inside it is completely stock. Still, huh? Here already. I'm just gonna run inside real quick and I'll be right back, guys. Can't forget my mask. Oh yeah. Okay, check this out. So I've gotten kind of addicted to Reign energy drinks, and I just found 2 flavors in there that I had no clue they even made. First is their Reign Inferno Jalapeno Strawberry. Kind of nervous on that. This is one of their thermogenic drinks, you know, supposed to make your body feel warmer to help you burn more calories, supposedly. And then Strawberry Sublime. This sounds pretty dang good too. So I'm gonna be trying one of these today. If I remember, I'll let you guys know. Do you have a favorite type of energy drink? If so, drop a comment down below. Let me know what it is. What is going on here, brother? Of course, brother. Whoops. Here we go. You can't beat this 1.4 liter turbo. That is a joke. I may not have great jokes, but that was a joke. I will say though, like I've said in other videos about this car, that Stage 2 kit really did do something for it. It is so much peppier than it used to be. back, guys. Your time of being a backseat driver is just about over. No more judging my driving, bro. And I guess you can technically judge me all day long, every day, as long as I got this video up, but you know, you'd be real nice not to. But I can't tell you what or what not to do. Alright guys, we're back. If you enjoyed that video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Make fun of my driving. And as always, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.